Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Yogesh Sarode of Jeevan Vikas Mahavidyalaya Deogram. I heartily welcome you all in this BA Part 3 semester 5th class. Friends, before going in details of the subject, it is necessary to have an overview about the syllabus. So, this time the syllabus prescribed by Nagpur University is of 100 marks, out of which 20 marks are assigned for internal assignments. That marks will be sent by college teacher to the university and will be included in your mark sheet. And the university paper will be of 80 marks. How the paper pattern, questions will be asked, distribution of marks, that we will see. Textbook prescribed for this year is Glimpses of English, an anthology of prose and poetry written by members of Board of Studies, Dr. Pillai, Praveen Joshi, Agrawal, Patne, Ambade, and few more. And again, second book of textbook is Improve Your English Step Up 3 program. So these books are available with us in library also. You can purchase from market also. Now, the 80 marks syllabus is covered in 4 units. We will see that. So your first unit consists of prose section, and to that unit 20 marks are assigned, in which there are 2 lessons. Number 1 is Playing the English Gentleman, written by Mohandas Gandhi. Now, playing the English gentleman means acting like English gentleman. We'll see in details the content of this lesson. Second lesson is The Gold Frame, that is written by South writer R.K. Lakshman. How the questions are asked, that we'll see later. Now, Unit 2 is based on poetry and is of 20 marks. In this you have 2 poems. Number 1 is She Walks in Beauty by Lord Byron, and second poem is The Lost Leader by Robert Browning. How the questions, short answer, very short answer, and how much marks, that we'll see next. Then in Unit 3 there are 2 short stories prescribed for 20 marks. Number 1 is Kabuliwala, very interesting story, heart-touching story written by Rabindranath Tagore. And the second story is The Open Window, that is written by Munro, Hector Hugh Munro. Now, fourth unit is based on grammar and comprehension, that is also of 20 marks, in which there are 2 parts, Part A and Part B. So, Unit 4, Part A consists of applied skills for 10 marks, in which first point is writing an inventory report for 5 marks, and second part is writing an advertisement copy for 5 marks. Part B is on essay writing for 10 marks. So, the areas of essay writings are social, environmental, economic, and current topics. On any one of these topics, means there will be 4 essays in question paper, out of which you have to solve one on any one of these topics. So this is about Unit 4. Unit 5 is totally on internal assessment, and there will not be any question in university paper based on Unit 5. Your questions in examination will be on only Unit 1 to Unit 4. So, Unit 5 is also of 20 marks. Those marks sent by teacher to university. No question on this topic in university exam. So, the format will be like this. There will be 10 marks on Viva and 10 marks on assignment that you submit before examination. Now, topics of assignments are situation at the railway counter, complaining about a stale food product or an eatables. Number 3, complaining about a hype bill. Number 4, going to the Sarpanch and inquiring about widening of roads. 5th is approaching the MLA with a request. 6th, translation of sentences. And 7th, acting your favorite mother tongue to show in English. So out of these 7 assignments, you can write assignment on any 5 of these topics. You can write 7 also. Now there is always confusion how the questions are asked and how much unit it is covered. What is the nature of questions? That we'll see now. So question number 20 marks, and that is grammar and comprehension, in which number A, that is writing an inventory report for 5 marks. Question number 1B, 1 out of 2 questions with internal choice on writing and advertisements. Means 2 questions will be there. You have to write 1. Internal choice is there on advertisement. And question number 1C, that is an essay in about 300 words on any one of the 4 given topics. 4 topics will be there. You have to solve 1 essay for 10 marks. Maximum limit is 300 words. Now question number 2A, that is based on unit 1 lessons. So here you have to solve 3 short answer questions in maximum 75 to 100 words. There will be internal choice also. So to each question there will be internal choice, and in this way you have to solve 3 short answer question on 2 lessons, each of 5 marks, means 15 marks. And question number 2 will be 5 very short answer questions, each of 1 mark. Okay, so 15 plus 5, 20. Now question number 3, again it is based on unit 3 poems. 2 poems are there. So here also you have to solve 3 short answer question in 75 to 100 words, each of 5 marks with internal choice. And question number 3B, very short answer question. You have to write answer of these in 1 or 2 sentences, each of 1 mark, only on 2 poems. Now question number 4, again it is based on short stories. 2 short stories are there. So we have to write 3 short answer questions with internal choice, each of 5 marks. And question number 4B, again 5 very short answer question, each of 1 mark. You have to write answer not sentences. So in this way we have covered the syllabus, contents, question pattern, mark distribution. I think it is necessary to know the question pattern, so that there will not be any confusion afterwards. Everything is clear in this. I have made this presentation for you. I hope you all understand this, and will see the contents in details in the subsequent classes. Thank you friends. Good day.